How to manage storage by category in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to see exactly what's taking up space on your drive and clear out what you don't need. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Storage on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a visual breakdown of your drive, split into different categories like apps, temporary files, documents, videos, and other. From here, click on any category to drill down and see exactly what's inside it and how much space each item is taking up. Following this, click on Apps to see a full list of installed programs sorted by size. From here, you can click on any app and select Uninstall if you no longer need it and want to free up space right away. After that, click on Temporary Files to see things like recycle bin contents, update leftovers, and cached data that can safely be removed. From here, check the boxes next to everything you want to delete and click Remove Files to clear them out instantly. At this point, go back to the main storage page and click on Other to see files that don't fit neatly into a category. This is often where large files you've forgotten about end up. Finally, if you want Windows to manage this automatically going forward, scroll up and toggle on Storage Sense so it regularly clears out junk files without you having to do it manually. That's how you manage storage by category in Windows 11. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!